Hello everybody, welcome back. So I just wanted to do a little garden update video. You see our tomatoes are growing nicely. Some are even starting to flower soon. We might be actually seeing some tomatoes soon. We have our peppers coming in. Cucumbers. I tried a new thing with the cucumbers. Put 2 stakes and just ran some twine in between them, and then just attached the cucumbers, those little twist ties. See how this works out. If this works out good, I think next year, instead of using all these stakes, I'll just have rows of twine running back and forth that way, fit everything in there. And I did actually have to go and replant the cucumbers. I planted a batch earlier, but I think it was too soon to plant them. We had a little bit of a cold snap, and they kind of wilted away. So some fresh cucumbers from the nursery. Our thyme and oregano are growing nicely. Strawberries. The lettuce, not familiar with how lettuce grows. It looks okay. One little guy there, not looking so good. And the strawberries. So I had to build this little cage to try to keep the birds and the squirrels off them. Because as soon as any of these strawberries turn red, and you see we do have some little strawberries growing in. As soon as they turn red, these birds attack them, then I don't get any. So, very simple design. I put it on a couple of hinges just to make it easier to open. Just pop it open. And I can pick my strawberries whenever they're ready. So we got a couple of good ones growing in there. I'll actually be able to eat them this year. And this, very simple. I just had some scraps laying around. A couple of 2x3s I just screwed together. And a couple 2x4s I just ripped down to make them a little thinner. A couple of screws, made it about 2 feet tall. And then I just wrapped it with the chicken wire, held together with some staples. But just an effort to try to save some of the strawberries. And that's our garden so far. We'll keep an eye on it, see how it's growing, water it, add fertilizer if we need to. And there we go. Thanks again. Please like and subscribe, and take care.